Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I just wanted to give a quick tip on how I made these glowing red eyes on this gouache painting I recently finished. This is just good information if you are trying to make something look like it's glowing, but you have like a black or really dark background. So in this case, I want the eyes to be glowing red. I put down some red over the black, and then I placed white over the top, trying to make a gradient in the very center, wherever the light will be emitting from. So the very center of the eyes in this case, you want that area to have a lot more white, and you want it to gradually turn red and then disappear into the black background. Now, since gouache paint tends to mix a lot, you're going to have to build up these layers a lot. So I would suggest first putting down a layer of red and then putting on white and repeating this process until you get a pretty bright red gradient against that black. When you put down the first layer of red against the black, you're going to be using a lot more pigment and way less water, so just use a damp brush for this. And eventually when you build up that color like I am here, just get a clean, damp brush and blend out the very edges of that. And once you have that color built up, then you can start making it look like it's glowing by adding a white gradient in the very center and building this up in layers just like you did with the red. Now, you could do this where in the very beginning stage, if you knew somewhere in your painting you want it to be glowing, if you don't want to have to do so many layers for it to show up vibrantly that it's red, glowy, whatever, you would leave some empty space in the background for that so that there isn't very much paint layers underneath for it to blend into, basically making it so that you don't have to use so many paint layers to make it look like bright red. To be honest, I did do that for the white smoke in this painting. I don't know why I didn't do that for the eyes. Probably because it's such a small space anyways, and there did need to be some black behind the glowy eyes. And I didn't want to do just like a very thin circle around the eyes. So, I mean, it doesn't save that much time, but just so you know. Anyways, I'll have a longer video posted next week on Sunday at 9 a.m. And if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you next week. Bye!